Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to choose what you can save on iCloud during the backup on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So if you want to choose what should be backed up and what not, then you need to open the settings and go to your Apple account, so tap on your name. Then go to iCloud, and over here you have saved to iCloud. You can go over here to see everything. In here you will find everything that is enabled so that it is being backed up when there is a backup performed. So for instance, if you don't want something to be backed up because there is no reason to do so, let's say, I don't know, like this stocks app or maybe even contacts, then of course you can tap on the switcher in order to enable and disable it. And in some other cases you need to go inside to find details. Let's say if I go to notes over here, then here you also have the switcher in order to synchronize with your iPhone, and you can also go to manage storage over here. Of course mine is empty, so there's nothing to manage, but this is how we can essentially manage our iCloud and decide what should be synchronized with iCloud and what should be saved during a backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!